Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Nykaa app. Here we click on settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Nykaa and you will click here in this window. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Nykaa app. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.